Hey guys, so today is March 26th here in South Texas, and it's a lovely spring day today. I went to Walmart to get a few things and came back with something totally different. So I've had these seeds for a while that I've kept here in my garage. Got different things. I was really into growing my own produce maybe like 2-3 years ago, and just realized like it's a lot of work. I had a raised bed that it needed a lot of maintenance. It attracted a lot of pests and rodents and things like that. So I ended up just kind of getting rid of it, and I stuck to basic things like growing cilantro, peppers, and cucumbers. Cucumbers are super easy to grow. Have some here. So I've tried growing these. I want to say that they came like in a pack that I ordered online, and these are really good. They grow pretty fast, and I kind of just do it for fun anyway. But I've been trying to grow these the past few months, and I think they're, let me see, from 2019. So yeah, I haven't had a single one germinate. So I decided to go to Walmart and see if they had any of the same variety there. So I went to Walmart and they didn't have any seeds there, but they did have this. It's a combination seed plus fertilizer, smart seed. And I do have a few bald spots in the yard. Come out here, it's pretty sunny, so you can't really tell that much, but there's a lot of little brown spots here and there. So I thought maybe I would try it out and see how it goes. Some of them are pretty bad. And yeah, it's my fault. I bought a what I thought was like a fertilizer for the grass, but it was actually a weed killer. So that's why it looks really bad. But anyway, I'm going to apply this and see how it turns out. Because right now, I mean, it's early spring and the grass should be like green, like really green right now. So that was my find at Walmart, and I decided to go to Lowe's to find the seeds that I was looking for, and I found these, which it's a different variety, Market More 76, but they should still come out good. The only thing about growing cucumber is they do attract a lot of aphids, and it's almost impossible to eradicate them. And it gets pretty frustrating. So, I'll let the plant produce a few cucumbers, and then I pull it out because, they kind of get out of control, and I don't really want them spreading all over the yard. But anyway, so after I found these, I also found this one right here, Blue Point Juniper. Um, anyway, beautiful, beautiful thing. Only $32. I mean, that's not bad. It's about, I'd say maybe like 2.5 feet tall. And I'm still deciding where I'm going to put it. And I think these things grow, yeah, 10 to 15 feet at mature height and 5 to 7 feet in width. So that's pretty cool. And they're hardy up to zone 9. And just another look at it. I still don't know where I'm going to put it, but anyway, I'll probably just move it around the yard, and then, we'll see where it ends up. So I just opened the bag, all wrong, of course, but this is what the stuff looks like. I'm going to try to keep everything contained, just so that if it spills, it'll stay here in this bucket. And yeah, I'm just going to go and just spread it around the yard. So I went and placed 3 cucumber seeds here in this pot that I have with a rosemary, and I just plopped them down here. Just did 1, 2, and 3, so that they can grow up this trellis here. That is not in production right now, but that vine structure that it left behind, it looks pretty cool. I think I have I think they call that like possum grape or something, but I don't think it'll produce any grapes, and even if it would have, they probably wouldn't have been good. But anyway, so I'm just gonna water them in and see how they do. So just in case those don't grow, I decided to plant a few more. So I got this here ready, and I'm gonna plant up about 4 more just in these little pots, and I'll keep it here in the garage under my little grow lights. So I got these 4 here, and I mean, generally you're supposed to plant like at least 2 seeds per pot, I guess, but I'm not gonna do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and save the excess and just close that up as best as I can. So I got my little makeshift greenhouse here, and I got the grow lights there that I got from Amazon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and water these in. And I added just a little bit more soil, and I'm gonna just top that off a little bit, a little more water. And it shouldn't take too long for these things to sprout. Why is there an echo, echo, echo? Echo, 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 less echo. Wait, still echo.